Hey guys, in this video I'm explaining to you how you can print tickets on Ticketmaster, and it's really easy and simple, guys. First things first, you can only do this if you chose print at home as a delivery method. If you have mobile entry tickets, you cannot print them from your online account, nor can you email them. Okay, so if you chose a print at home as your delivery method, what you can do, sign into your account on Ticketmaster, and then you can do this on either your desktop or your mobile browser. Then just switch to desktop mode there. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, guys, is you want to find your order under the my ticket section, and basically when they're ready to print, the print tickets button basically appear. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to click on that button right here that says print tickets, and you want to confirm your account by entering the code they email to you. You'll actually need a software, for example Adobe Reader, to print the tickets. You can quickly download that from the Adobe web page right here. Let me open that up for you. Or you can use another software as well that can read PDFs. Okay, right here you can come here and click on download Acrobat Reader right here. Then the download option should start soon. Okay, you want to click on the download icon or folder in your browser's toolbar. When you get that prompt right here, you'll see this right here. It has downloaded. You can go ahead and install it. And then, guys, you can, once you click on print tickets, the file will open up. Open up that file and then print your ticket. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next video.